Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'll show you on how to enable auto updates to latest version on Infinix Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to go to your phone settings. So click on settings. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then go to version updates. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button. And with that, each time Infinix releases the latest version of your phone, you are going to be automatically updated without any sweat. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you